You're just through Kansas. Like
Good job.
A team that's good.
Faster shot. Faster shot.
That's
Shoot it
good.
faster.
We're having a meeting to meet how that all works.
Jump. Go get it. Go get
All
it.
the
Go get it,
juicy
Jay.
details.
Go get it. Go get it. Don't
Take
be
it.
scared. Turn it. Turn it. Get it there. You got to get there.
Cheer, Jaden. Defense, defense.
Kick it out of there.
Go, Drew.
Good job, Drew.
Drew. Let's go.
That's you, Drew. Stay on him.
Take it.
Now work together. Don't keep it in. Oh, it was off on him. I didn't see.
I can't ever tell over there if it's rolling out.
Good job. Oh,
Good job.
Get him, Drew. Oh, you guys are behuddled.
Spread out and get it out.
Spread out wide, Tyler. Or who's wide? I don't even know.
Go, go,
There you go.
go,
Go with him, Drew.
Cut in. Cut
Toward the middle. Cut, 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 cut.
Cut.
Drew's there.
Oh,
Drew, get it back.
You got to run. Run.
That's you,
Get to
Jaden.
the
It's
ball.
Jaden's.
there we go.
All that grease.
Get in front of him.
There.
Okay, go. Take it and shoot.
That's you, Drew. Recover.
Get in front of it.
Good job, Gavin.
Stay with it, Tyler.
Who's running with him?
Jordan, can you move? Come up.
Drew.
Right there.
There's only 3 against 1.
Turn to. Oh.
Pass, Tyler. Oh.
3 against 1, guys. You should have
I
that.
didn't notice that. Oh, I didn't even notice it. Oh. It really was. All right, here it is still, man.
We should have had that one.
Yeah, that should have been an easy one. Maya, go sit, please.
Jordan.
Use your passes.
Can you attack the ball?
Oh, don't try to hit it.
Sit, please. Maya, sit. Good job. Go, Drew.
Go, go, go. Pull it back. Oh, he touched it.
Oh,
Good job, Hudson. Nice kick.
yeah, he launched that sucker.
Jordan, what I say? Look.
Spread out, guys.
Remember? Right when he starts moving.
There you go. Right in the goal.
Get it.
Spread out.
Who's in the middle?
Keep it in. Oh, hustle back. Hustle back.
See there? If you would have got it, you wouldn't be running. Good
job,
Jaden. Good job, Jaden.
Go with it. Go with it, Jaden.
Go.
There you go. Good
Good
pass.
All right, Tyler. Good job. Go, Tyler. Go. Oh.
Almost, Tyler.
Good job, Jaden.
Can you go get it?
I think you crossed the line.
Yep.
Oh, guys, he blew the whistle.
Whistle.
Whistle, whistle.
Jordan. Over here. Attack the ball. Jordan. Attack the ball. Pooch it out of there. Which way are we going?
I don't know. I think we're still going the same way.
Which way is that?
That way?
I always forget.
Because we haven't had halftime yet, have we? Get ready! Oh!
He almost got his first goal. Mike, can you sit up here? Don't you have like your coloring? Where's your coloring book and stuff? Where's all that stuff at? Why are you worried about everything around you? You got a coloring book. You love that coloring book. This game's beginning to be real long. Starting to feel like a football game. And you be sitting there.
Yeah.
See what happens when you stop?
Yes. Takes forever. Go get it!
Good pass, good pass.
All right, take it back!
Where was he kicking it to? I don't know.
We tried to get it out of bounds, right? We did that on purpose.
Like,